Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, WeBe Autos. Today we have a freshly built 1947 Ford F1. Got the owner, Chris, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How we doing today, Chris?
I'm good.
Gosh, you just built it, huh? You got done last week or so?
Yeah, about a week and a half ago.
Cool. So tell us a little bit about it.
Well, it's a 47 F1. It's got a 302 Ford, AOD overdrive transmission.
It's C6 or C4? Just AOD?
Overdrive, AOD.
Oh, okay.
It's automatic overdrive, yeah, that's what they call it, an AOD.
Okay, cool.
It's got a Ford rear, front disc brakes, rear drum, new dual exhaust. Everything on the truck is new. It's all new wires, it's all new brake lines, it's total new brake system, master, wheel cylinders, calipers, everything's new.
Shocks, exhaust.
Shocks,
so you had the
tires,
body off this thing?
It was body off right down to the frame. Frame was all taken down, painted, put it all back together. All new fuel system, tank, lines, electric fuel pump, aluminum radiator. It's got a little 2-barrel on the 302. That's because it was a roller motor, fuel-injected roller motor that we removed from an automobile.
And, was it a Mustang GT or something?
It was a Lincoln.
A Lincoln?
Yeah, it was a Lincoln. And it had 37,000 original miles on the Lincoln.
Oh my God.
And we made a little car that you could drive all day and great mileage.
Yeah, aluminum radiator, electric fan, electronic ignition, right?
That's correct.
12-volt system.
All 12 volt. Every wire is new.
Little Ajuga Horn.
That's correct.
You gotta have that if you got a truck like this, right?
A little something different.
Here's your vacuum advance. Nicely done. New, huh?
All new.
Cool. And what do we do on the interior?
Well, the interior's got seats done, rugs are done. It's all insulated underneath. It's all painted, new headliner. Gauges underneath the dash, because the original gauges are 6 volt, and when
Now
you
we're
change
12
them to
volt,
12, well, these gauges here do not. They're just in there to show, because when you put reducers, they're never accurate. So I don't bother. I clean it nice, redo it, decals, everything, make it look good. But it doesn't. That's just for show. Underneath gauges are there. There's a fuel gauge and 3 other gauges.
Very cool. And we got volts, water, and oil.
Yeah,
Exactly what you need.
Yeah, and they all work. Got a little GPS up there on the, on the dash. It
There
has
you
a
go.
wiper switch here.
Oh, electric wipers.
Electric wipers.
And how do you start it up?
We got a little. Well, you have a kill switch here.
Okay.
Kill switch activates everything electrically in the truck. You throw the switch on, you turn the key, and it starts every time.
Wow.
And that's it. It's got
nothing.
the horn over here. Lights.
Okay.
Directionals. Left,
Cool.
right.
Oh, that's great. Perfect. With a little LED indicator.
That's correct. And
Man, look at this wheel. Not a crack in it. I don't think I've ever seen a 47 wheel without a crack in it. Look at that.
it's a perfect wheel. It's a perfect wheel.
I like how you did fresh paint, right? And then you did a patina to it.
That's correct.
Looks like a red oxide underneath what it should have had back in the day.
We did a filler primer, totally sanded down, left a couple of little dents in the truck so it looked old. Then we red oxide it, sanded down, and then we painted it, and then sanded through the paint into the red oxide, and sometimes through the red oxide into the primer. So it looks good now.
Tell me about these taillights. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this.
They're just custom made. Stop,
great.
You have the little,
it has a little stop in it too. How cool.
The stop, the arrows.
Very cool. All brand new tires. Sounds nice. And all new underneath.
Like the fuel tank. Oh, it's in the back.
it either.
So I left the side fill here just to show.
Yep. You put a fill
in the
for
back, and I put a fill tank in the back.
safer that way too.
Oh, it's a lot safer.
Even more comfortable just thinking about it, you know?
Yeah. You don't want to be a human rocket.
Human rocket. That's great. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's WeBeAutos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.